Welcome to STA-B Exam Forum. So student, we have come up with day 7 exam analysis for DRDO admin and allied cadre. Okay, so let's begin this video. So student, you must be curious to know about the safe score for DRDO admin and allied cadre. Okay, so tomorrow we will be releasing one video on that, so you can have a look on that video. Okay, so before proceeding, again the disclaimer, all the questions which we are presenting in this video are based on the feedback given by the students, and one more thing is there, that all these questions are memory based. So student, the wording of the questions might not be the same as asked in the exam. Okay, and the last one is some questions which we have received later after posting the video, so we are going to include those questions also. Okay, so the summary, so today is 19th March 2023 and the day is Sunday, and this time students are saying the difficulty level of exam is easy one. Okay, and they are easy to solve. Okay, the only thing is again time management and the accuracy, that are the most critical thing. Okay, so let's start the questions. Okay, so the first question that was come in the last shift, basically, NGT, National Green Tribunal, was established by government in which year? Okay, and the answer for that question was 2010. Okay, so in 2010 this NGT was established. Okay, coming to the next, it is from the science. What kind of energy does flying airplane move? Okay, so student, the answer is both kinetic and potential energy. Why? Because it is flying in the air, so it is flying on a certain height, because of which it has some potential energy, whereas since it is moving forward, it is in moving motion, so it has kinetic energy also. So the answer would be kinetic and potential energy both, not only kinetic. Okay, so kinetic and potential energy is the right answer for this question. Next, a very simple one. Which article of Indian Constitution is regarded as heart and soul of the Indian Constitution? Okay, so this was told by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and the article was Article 32, which tells that fundamental rights to the constitutional remedies. Okay, so constitution can be amended from time to time because of this article only. Okay, coming to the next one, it is from the very recent one, SSLV D2. What is this SSLV D2? It is the short satellite launch vehicle. Okay, short satellite launch vehicle, not short, it's small satellite launch vehicle. Okay, and was launched from which place? Okay, so the answer was Sriharikota, and from this satellite launch vehicle, our India has launched 3 satellite: EOS-1 Earth Observation Satellite 7, Azadi Sat, and Janus 1. Okay, coming to the next question, dash is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Student, the option was not clear, so we have put rickets. Okay, so rickets was the correct answer. So rickets is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Coming to the next, it is from the geography. On which river Hirakund Dam was built? Okay, so as you know, Hirakund Dam is in Odisha, and in Odisha one major river passes, that is Mahanadi. So Mahanadi was the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, was founded in which year? This was again a very difficult one, and the answer was 1875. Okay, 1875. It is a very old stock exchange, and the recent stock exchange, that is also called National Stock Exchange, was founded in 1992. Okay, let's see the next question. So which of the following is martial art form of Kerala? Okay, as you know, Kalaira Pattu. Okay, Kalaire Pattu is the martial art form of the Kerala. Coming to the next, it is from the science. Which of the following is an example of contact force? Okay, As you know, there are contact force and non-contact force. Okay, in contact force, the two object on which force is acting should be in contact, and the example was muscular force. Okay, and the other example, that is frictional force. As you know, friction requires the two forces to be in contact. Okay, if you're walking, so your foot should be on ground, then only friction force will act. Okay, and the example of non-contact force, as you know, it is gravitational force and many more. Okay, magnetic force is also a non-contact force. Okay, then what is the currency of Kuwait? Student, it is dinar, not riyal. Okay, it's dinar. Okay, Kuwaiti dinar was the correct answer. Coming to the next, how many Bharat Ratnas were given first time? So student, as you know, there are 3 Bharat Ratna which were given initially in 1954. Who are these 3 persons? C. Rajagopalachari, C.V. Raman and Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. These were the 3 eminent personality to which Bharat Ratna was given. Okay. Next is from the Indian polity. Under which article of Indian Constitution the impeachment of president can be initiated? Okay, and the answer was Article 61. Okay, so Article 61 was the right answer. Coming to the next, it is from the geography. Where is Balpakram National Park situated? Okay, student, Balpakram, it is in, I think, Meghalaya, I guess. Yes, the answer was Meghalaya. It is a very difficult one. It is not common national park, but a very important national park in the south northeast region. Okay, so Meghalaya is the right answer. Coming to the question, it is from the science. Which type of mirror is used by dentists for examining teeth? So student, we have seen a lot of question on mirror and lens, and the answer for this question was concave mirror. Okay, because it enables to see the nearby objects. Okay, then one question from geography. NH2 does not passes through which state? It is also only known as Grand Trunk Road. So there were few options that we don't know. Okay, next is the SI unit of current. Student, this question we are facing from all the phase shifts. Okay, so the answer was ampere. Coming to the next question, how many company indicate growth in BSc Sensex? Student, this was very confusing for the student. Student were thinking that there are a lot of companies, like 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 companies are in BSc Sensex. It is true. Okay, but they are telling how many companies indicate growth in BSc. So what number of companies indicate the growth of the whole sector? And the answer was 30. Okay, and they were not asking about the registered companies, so 30 was the correct answer. Okay, coming to the next, it is from the mythology. Who was the son of Abhimanyu in Mahabharat? And the answer was Parikshit, and her mother name is Uttara. Okay, coming to the next, it is again from the science. In which of the following lenses are used? As you know, microscope, and microscope has 2 lenses, and the lens used is convex lens. Okay, next is which among the following is the best conductor of electricity? So from metal, non-metal, as I told you in the revision video, so we have seen a lot of question from metal and non-metal. So as you know, the best conductor of electricity is silver, not gold. Okay, second one is gold, so the best conductor of electricity is silver, but still we are using copper because its cost is very cheap. Okay, coming to the next question, Chambal is a tributary of which river? Okay, so we have seen first day one question from the Chambal river has come, like Kota is situated near to which river, but this time they have asked Chambal is tributary of which river, and the answer was Yamuna. Okay, so the Yamuna was the correct answer. Coming to the next, it is from the computer literacy. Which is not direct access storage device? Okay, so the opposite of direct access storage is sequential access, and as you know, magnetic tape is a sequential access storage device. Like you have seen in the tape recorder, the reels rotate, so you can think that as a magnetic tape, and it has sequential access, not direct access. Coming to the history, who was the founder of Lingayat movement in Karnataka? Okay, and answer was Basava. Okay, it was a difficult one, Basava or Basava. Okay, next from the science, who discovered X-ray? Okay, student, X-ray was discovered by William Röntgen. Okay, William Röntgen was the correct answer. And some people are saying that they have asked the year, so the year was 1895. Okay, so 1895 was the correct answer. Coming to the next, again it is from the science. The deficiency of calcium in old age will lead to what? And the answer was osteoporosis. Okay, osteoporosis was the correct answer. Next, a very simple one, this we have repeated several times. When is International Women's Day celebrated? And the answer was 8th March. Okay, 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day. Then it is from the past day, I think. Kalpana Chawla died in space shuttle in which year? Okay, so Kalpana Chawla died in year 2003. Her spacecraft name is Columbia. Okay, so the elements are drawn into wire. This property is known as, very simple one, ductility. Okay, and malleability means it can be beaten into thin sheets. Okay, that we have studied in 8th class. Okay, coming to the next, who is known as father of Indian space research? Okay, so as you know, and you have watched that Space Rocket or Space Rocket Boys movie. Yes, so Rocket Boy, the famous personality is Vikram Sarabhai, and the Vikram Sarabhai is also known as father of Indian space research. Okay, next is again a confusing one. Around dash percentage of human body is water. Okay, some people are saying it is 60, some people are saying 65, some people are saying 75, but the answer is 60. Actually it works on the principle, means what options are given. Okay, right now the study says 60%. Okay, anyhow you need to verify this question. Okay, coming to the next, which of the following is a non-metal? Okay, there were few options given and you have to choose the non-metal, and the answer was sulfur, and the other options were calcium and magnesium. Okay, though both are metals. Okay, coming to the next, which city to host first meeting under G20 presidency? This was, I think, last day question. Yes, and the answer was Bengaluru. Okay, so the Bengaluru has hosted first meeting under G20 presidency. So these were few topics in English that we have seen. This time they have asked one word substitution, one who does not believe in God, that is atheist. Okay, and one active passive, one student has shared with us, I have been invited to the party. So you need to convert into active, and these are the similar topics that we have seen in the exam. Coming to the next, again this is quantitative aptitude, and there is no much change in the pattern that we have continuously looking in all the shift. Okay, similarly with the reasoning ability, these are very common topics that we have seen in all the shift, in all the exam from day 1 to day 7. Okay, so student, we are now concluding our video, and student, tomorrow evening at the same time we will be posting one video on safe score, where we will tell you the cutoff for this exam based on the past September 6 to September 8. Okay, so please watch that video. That video will give you a glimpse of the score which you need to have. Okay, so student, that's it, and thank you for watching all these video from day 1 to day 7, and thank you for the student who have shared these questions to us. Thank you, and thank you very much.